Hi everyone, it's Adam.
And Pepe, hello!
Well, thanks for looking and smiling at the kids. Guess what? We're going to talk about exercise more today.
Yeah, what's that?
Exercise is what we do to move our body. So it can be walking,
I know how to walk.
it can be jumping,
I love to jump.
it could be dancing.
I'm gonna dance for you, dance for you. Oh, oh.
You can do that. And then different seasons bring different activities. So in the spring, what's an example of something you might do in the spring?
I could climb a tree.
You could climb a tree.
I could go for a nature walk.
You could.
Or I could plant a garden.
You are right. All those are good examples of exercise. How about summer?
I like to swim. Splash, splash, splash.
That's good. How about in the fall?
I like to play in leaves.
Okay, let me try one more. How about the winter? What do you do for exercise in the winter?
Ice skating.
You have lots of different ideas how you like to exercise. Good work, Pepe. And you get to think about that now too, kids. Think about what you like to do for exercise. Here we go.